Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I'm also a huge fan of unboxings and I just received my PR Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of March. This happens to be my birthday month. By the time you guys see this, my birthday's in just a couple of days. So I'm hoping that this is a good box and it's going to be in addition to all the birthday goodies. If you're unfamiliar with Boxycharm, this is a $32 monthly beauty subscription where you get 5 full-size items. And every month there is a theme, and us as subscribers, I do also get my paid-for box. We get to go in and make we also get to go in and make our choice for the month. You can also shop the Ipsy Mega Drop Shop when they do the big sales, and you can get up to 80% off of retail values. So the March theme is Main Character Energy. Eat, glam, love. Set out on an adventure this spring to romanticize your life and your routine with fresh beauty finds that give you main character energy all day, every day. And then it will generally give us a little bit of information about the month. And it is packaged well. All right on top, I'm happy to see this because I've been complaining that we should be getting a palette in every box. That is one thing that I do miss about kind of old school Boxycharm is that we got a palette in every box. So we do have a palette and it looks really, really pretty and very spring-like. If I can actually open it. All right, this is the Laura Geller Laura's Essentials Candy Cravings 12 multi-finish eyeshadows, 1 highlighter, and 1 blush. Okay. That looks really, really pretty. Beautiful spring colors. Maybe things that just kind of push us into the spring season. Very pretty, very soft and very neutral. I do like the blush shade and the highlight shade here as well. All right, starting off with a bang. Next up is the full size of the Verb Volume Dry Texture Spray. Fullness and light hold plus weightless texture. That sounds awesome also. Next up is the Drunk Elephant, the Obluse Rosy Drops. They are the blush drops. And I will swatch these for y'all real quick. So I'm liking that. I like the palette. I like that we're getting a blush. That is what they look like. And I'm going to shake it up just a little bit and put a little bit on my hand. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. And I'm sure that this is kind of similar to like the bronzer type drops like that, where you can put it underneath your makeup, kind of at the high points of your cheeks and stuff like that. Then apply, you know, your tinted moisturizer, whatever the case may be. Or you can press this out across the top of the cheeks after you have applied your makeup. So far so good, y'all. So far I'm thrilled. Next up is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. I am a big fan of Supergoop. I like the Unseen sunscreen and then the Glow screen. Unfortunately, I just bought this in the Mega Drop Shop, so I don't really need another one, but I am an SPF junkie, so I'm positive that I will use it, but I'm happy to see that. As we're venturing into spring months, so we're going to be outside a little bit more, it is super important to protect our skin. And then last up, we have some skincare in bubble wrap. This is the Dermalactives Eye Lifting Collagen Solution. And I'm currently using one right now from Glow Recipe, so I will not be using this just yet. If you've tried any of these products, though, let me know. So I'll run that down very quickly for you one more time. We have the Dermalactives Eye Lifting Collagen Solution. We have our Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF of 40. We had our Drunk Elephant Obluse Rosy Drops. We had the Laura Geller Laura's Essentials Candy Cravings palette. I think this is so pretty. Like the packaging is so pretty to me. And then last but not least, we had a hair product. We have the Verb Fullness and Light Hold plus Weightless Texture Volume Dry Texture Spray. Again, everything is a full size. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 yellow hearts. I would like to see like a little bit more punch here, a little bit more kind of pastels, maybe a couple of neons or something like that. But overall, I like it. And I do like that we got some skincare, some sun protection, we got the blush, we got the palette, and then we got something for our hair too. So I like that it's not all makeup, not all skin. We have a little blend of everything. So I think overall, it was a nicely curated box. I would love to know your thoughts. Do you guys receive Boxycharm by Ipsy? AKA Ipsycharm. I feel like when they merged, it should have been Ipsycharm. Anybody else? That is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you for commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you, of course, to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.